once again. So recently I've been getting queries on these Bolt Loop earphones, and whoever have asked me whether to buy it or not, I have suggested to go for Ant Audio W56. So in this video we'll be comparing Bolt Loop with Ant Audio W56, and both of these earphones are excellent earphones and they are priced at 499 rupees, and these are like very good for bass lovers. I've already done dedicated unboxing and in-depth review, so I'll link those videos in the description as well. So let's begin the comparison. So I'll first begin with the box overview. So the Bolt Loop earphones has one of the cheapest packaging that I have ever received in any earphone. When I initially received the package, all four corners of the box were broken and it seemed like the earphones were being used by someone, and the same piece was shipped to me. So I initially got the first unit replaced, and this second unit that you're looking in the video is also like the first one. You can see that the box is not fresh and new, and these earphones are highly priced at 1199, but there is a continuous discount going on, so you will get these for 499. Apart from that, when I opened the box, I got the earphones inside along with two extra pair of ear tips and a cable clip. There wasn't any kind of warranty card, any user manual or a specification manual. Now if I talk about the box packaging of Ant Audio W56, so it is one of the impressive packaging that I have ever received at a price of 499. So first of all, there is a plenty of information already printed on the box, whether it's on the front, on the back or on the sides, clearly displaying the specifications. When you will open the box, you will find a metal box. Inside the metal box, you will find your earphones nicely packed in this kind of a foam, and here you will find some paperwork like warranty card, some stickers and a message from the CEO. So a very impressive packaging. Now talking about the build quality and construction, the Bolt Loop earphones are made completely out of plastic, and they get this name as Bolt Loop because the wire actually curves in the form of a loop to provide you with a better grip. And believe me, this is really a very effective design. Apart from that, these earphones are magnetic, so you can wear them around your neck while you are not using them. And the earphones come with an inline microphone with a single button with a pretty standard features. Apart from that, you will find Bolt Loop branding at many places, and at the end you will get a gold plated 3.5mm jack. The only thing that I don't like about these earphones is finishing and quality of plastic. So if you will look at these earbuds, you will notice that the quality of plastic looks very cheap. Apart from that, on both the wires, on both the earphone wires, you will find these kind of silver rings. And although I haven't used these earphones too much, but the silver polish is beginning to fade off from many places. Apart from that, there are certain plastic spikes on these rings, which is probably the leftover material from the die from which they were originally made, but it wasn't cut properly. So all these things make these earphones look very cheap. Apart from that, the quality of cable is nice, although these are rounded cables and you will come across some kind of tangling issues when these earphones get old, but the quality, the cable looks really very sturdy. If I talk about Ant Audio W56, so these are definitely much better looking earphones than Bolt Loop, and these earphones look really very premium and you get plenty of colors to choose from. Apart from that, these earphones are not made out of plastic, but these are made out of aluminum alloy, which is completely corrosion free. This is what is mentioned in the documents. And with these earphones you get these kind of soft earphones which you can definitely take off if you are not comfortable using them. And with these earphones you get an inline microphone with a single button which can be used to play and pause a song, double click to go to the next track, and triple click to come back to the previous track. So very standard features. And at the end you get this 3.5mm gold plated jack, which is slightly bigger in size. I wish this jack was a little bit smaller. The cable provided in the earphones is a flat cable, so these earphones will always be tangle free, and also these are much lightweight as compared to Bolt Loop earphones. So coming on to the most important part, which is the comfort and audio quality. So first of all, both these earphones are really very comfortable to wear, but if you will look at their design, you will notice that Bolt Loop has a more flat design and Ant Audio W56 is more in length. So a long back I was asked by one of my viewer regarding if you can use any earphone with a pillow. So if you are someone like that, like if you want to plug in your earphones before going to bed, then Bolt Loop will be more comfortable as compared to W56. Coming on to the audio quality, both these earphones have an excellent audio at a price of 499. I don't have any complaints with any of them, but for the sake of comparison, I'll still tell you that Bolt Loop are more loud. They have a more bass as compared to W56, and if you are someone who like that boom boom effect, that lot of humming in the background irrespective of what is the kind of music you are hearing, then these are the earphones that you should go for. Next important thing is PUBG. Now my straight answer for PUBG is do not buy Bolt Audio for PUBG, because when you will launch the game, you will really love the sound of a parachute opening, you will love the footsteps, you will love the background music,
you will love the audio, I mean the music of rain and thunder and everything like that, but you won't be able to hear your partner and the other players that are playing the game. And one of the reason for that is like these earphones are really enhancing, or you can say amplifying low frequencies, so vocals are not clear with Bolt Audio. So in that scenario, you should go for Ant Audio W56, and I'll say that these earphones are like one of the balanced earphones that you can go for at this price. And the packaging is excellent, the build quality is excellent, and the audio is excellent. So my personal opinion is go for W56. So I hope you like the video, and I hope you are also clear about the pros and cons that are associated with these earphones. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.